house, apartment. Hello everyone! Welcome! Maraming salamat sa pagbisita. We are here sa house and apartment na up and down with rooftop, 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom ang location sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. Very spacious na bahay. Maganda yung location. May sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. Malapit sa highway. Malapit sa school at sa market. Very accessible. Maganda yung bahay at location. Yes kids, yes pets allowed for motor parking only, and yes, pwedeng magtindahan. House apartment sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. And yes po, ito po yung house apartment for rent. Pinapaw pa ang bahay, ang presyo 8,000 pesos monthly, up and down with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom with rooftop ang location sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. Yes po, ito po yung na-visit natin at nalocate na bahay ngayong May 2025. Salamat po.